This place is really nice. And the beautiful view, creeks and stuff in the back. Should be a lot of fun.
You're good to go.
Good.
Clear approach to it.
Oh no! Man. Okay, yeah, I can do it.
Kylie ho.
Whoa! That's called the auto self face punch move you just did.
How's your noggin?
Oh, just right. Came in wild man style.
Ooh. That was the fastest. That is fast. That made my hand hot.
Where do we go?
Yeah, we're going over there. So the way it's going to look is you're going to stand onto this little platform box that I'm standing on right here and just jump back and literally swing. Alright. Also, if you touch that tree right there that he just touched, you get 1,000 points. There we go. Give you an A for effort, but an F for performance.
Just missed.
Barely. I missed two. Don't worry.
Right. Almost. Almost. You're like me. You had the wrong. We had the wrong. Our cycle was off.
Yeah, mine was too. I don't know. I put my hand out.
Clear for state.
Wow, no shot.
You're right there, 8 feet from it. You just almost had it.
Sing.
He's swinging it.
I had to force myself out.
He's swinging it. That's a big swing. Get that tree. It's around. Wrong cycle. I know. I feel your pain.
I saw. Oh, that was like I saw the loss in your eyes. I swung all the way around. Get away from that point. Clear for state. So, y'all excited to take the Lindsay Lohan right above you?
I love Lindsay Lohan.
This one?
Whoa!
Yeah.
So the reason it's called the Lindsay Lohan is
because it crashed and burned like her career?
Yes. Yeah. Is that actually why? Yes.
Let your light shine.
Yeah, I think so.
Who are you gonna rap?
No way.
Who do you secretly want to rap?
We've had one person ticket, but we haven't had a full slap.
Oh, so close.
Oh, is this it?
Wait, do we have level 2 after this?
If you have level 2 circled on your wristband.
Yeah.
Oh.
If not, then you can.
Wait a minute. I hate to see you guys. I don't know if we can leave you guys or not after this.
Oh, you're only level 1?
Yeah.
Amateurs.
I knew you were gonna say that. We could, you know, all we gotta do is say the words, and we're in there.
Do it.
Bet. I bet you won't.
Bet.
Don't bet.
Bet.
Oh, tree touch! Solid tree touch. All right.
Look at that.
With a little help.
I was giving you the illusion of helping, but I actually didn't do it.
Nice. You had to let go, I guess, with this. Once you get it started, just
Yeah,
go.
just
let
let
it go with it.
Just turn your left hand, let go of all hands,
And
you'll make a 360, you'll be fine.
Okay, all right.
Clear,
do it.
boys, start!
Here we go. All right. Yeah, got it. Y'all feel good about it? Alley cat.
Ball up.
Ball up!
Same thing happened to me.
Really? Yeah. Did y'all come all the way up here?
No.
Really? I really thought I had enough speed.
Hey, you figured it out. Let us know.
Yeah, I'll let you know, like, as you're down there.
Send us a smoke signal when you get over there.
And if you look to the right while you're going down, or just look down, you'll see some old mill ruins. Some part of The Walking Dead is filmed there. It's like season 2 finale.
Yeah.
Well, get it going. Are you ready?
What?
All right.
How's it going?
I feel like I'm so sagging. Oh, I haven't seen it. You can't see the end. Here.
Good. All right.
Watch out for those stop signs. They do like to twist and turn and flip over.
I see that.
Thank you for helping out.
Oh, sure, man.